Hi, I'm Kate Fay, Beef and Lamb Platinum Ambassador Chef. Here's my recipe for sticky glazed lamb ribs. The brining process helps in tenderising the meat, and it predominantly is flavour enhancing. I mortar and pestle the seeds and then just mix it all together. So it's like a seasoned salt. So I've taken the ribs out of the oven. I'm going to push it flesh side down with the rib bones up, another piece of paper on top, another tray, and then a weight, just to press it down so they're all even. And then you put them in the fridge to cool. Okay, so I'm just going to square them up a little bit just to make it tidy. I think if you're going to do it at home, you probably don't need to do that.